Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with ecommerce. So friends, in the last video we just setting up the authentication panel, and now in this video we'll create the user profile section where the admin can change his or her uh, profile picture, some kind of social media links, and also email and another stuff. So just again log into our dashboard. 1 2 3 4 sign in. Okay, so now here we have a user profile section, how it actually looks like. So when you are going to the admin section, here we have also user profile. So actually it looks like this. We have like name, email, phone, mobile and address, and after that we have some links, website and name and user profile. So in this video we'll just create this page and make the CRUD operation, like we just update this name, email and phone, another thing. So just moving to the code, this is vertical slash user profile.html. So finding the user profile.html, this is just paste it here, and in admin section we'll create a file name profile.blade.php. Now just go to the index and copy the above code, this one, @admin layout content and @end section. Going to the profile.blade.php, paste it there, @end section, end section. Now inside this we should write the main code, that is this one, page wrapper, from this to this. Copy this and paste it there. Also go to the admin sidebar and write that user profile, I think user, what the name is here, user profile. Search the keyword user profile, this one. Here we just save the URL admin slash profile, save it. Go to the admin.php, copy this, go to the admin.php and paste it there. Our URL should be in get and it should be profile. Now we should have a profile controller inside the admin folder. So go to the terminal, php artisan make controller admin slash profile controller, hit enter. It successfully creates the controller. Now simply write public function, or actually if we say that data of the user who logins there, so we also find the data of the login user by using auth user email, auth user name, auth user phone, auth user links. So I think we just move to the admin.php and we just want this, like we just redirect it to the return view from this section. Paste it, profile and it should redirect to the admin/profile. Save it. Now once check it, go to the user profile, admin/profile. Yes, we successfully go to this page. Just move this project status and follow message profile status, just removing this row, the whole row, and refresh. Yes, this actually go. Now I will write these in the value section, but before this we should have a phone, remove this mobile, and we should have address keywords in the user section. If I'll show you this users, so here we only have this part like password, remember token, created and updated. We don't have any phone, we don't have any address, and also we don't have these links. So just create a migration, PHP artisan make migration alter underscore users underscore table is equal to users. Hit enter. Table is equal to users. Oh, fine. Now go to database migrations. The last one is our users migration. Pull it down. Now $table, our field name should be string, phone, and it should be null label, and one more attribute, we should one more property I want to add, that after, like in which column you should add this column name. Like I want to add this column after remember underscore token. So write remember underscore token, phone, address, what type of link we have, GitHub, Twitter, Insta, Facebook. GitHub, address, GitHub, Twitter, Insta, Facebook. That is address. I think we don't need GitHub here. I just write Twitter, Insta, Facebook. Twitter underscore link, Facebook underscore link, and Insta underscore link. Save it. Now this is after remember token, this should be after phone, after address, after Twitter link, and after Facebook link. Fine. Just hit PHP artisan, PHP artisan migrate. Fine. Just check the things in the table. Now we have phone, address, Twitter link, is Facebook link. Okay. I am writing the dummy phone number, address, dummy address test, Twitter link test, Facebook test, and Insta test. Okay, now I will just check that where I am getting the value. Go to the profile.blade.php, and in the value section just write auth user name. So whoever the authenticated user, it actually gives us the value, like auth user email, Now auth user phone. After that, I think we should only have one field, phone or email. I will remove the mobile. Now address, okay, refresh. Yes, now I will also write the Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. After address, Twitter, Insta, Facebook. Twitter, Twitter underscore link, Twitter, Facebook, Facebook underscore link, and Instagram. Insta underscore link. Save it. Refresh the page. Yes. But I'm not getting Facebook underscore link. Okay. One extra O here. Refresh. Now we have successfully getting name, email, whatever the things were saved in the database. So in the next video I will just update this image from this part and also remove the unnecessary things and make it the submit thing. Okay, hope you all like the video. Please do subscribe, and if you have any query, mention in the comment box. Thank you.